Jess, and I just want to share with you 3 things I love and 1 thing that surprised me about these dog wipes by Earth Rated. So the first thing I love is just the fact that this does snap and stay closed. It's pretty secure, but you can grab it one-handed, and I just did that with my left hand. As you can see, and I'm actually right-handed, but it's kind of nice. So if you're holding your dog with one hand, you can quickly snap these open with your second hand, with your other hand. The second thing that I love about them is the fact that the wipes come out so easily. So it starts with just this on here. You peel it off, and then you can easily pull them out with one hand. They don't really get stuck, which is really nice. And then if you have extra, you can kind of tuck them back in and snap them. So it's re-snapped, you can see. And then the third thing I love about these is just the fact that they come in different sizes. So you can get one individual pack, but you can also get them in bulk and get several packs together, which is what we do, especially in the spring and summer when we go through them a lot more and we don't just need one. And the one thing that surprised me was just how versatile these wipes are. And I will show you in a second, but we use these wipes pretty much everywhere on my dog. I'm here with my dog to kind of show you, but we have used these on his private parts. We use them on his head. We've used them inside his ears. We've used them on his stomach, his face, and he doesn't seem to mind. He's a good dog, but we also have used them on his paws, under his nails, in between his pads, and so many different ways we have used these wipes. And they have always served us well. So that's it. Thank you so much and have a great day.